Are you tired of the Google ads that keep appearing on the internet? Well, you come to the right place. Hey guys, Nick here, and today I'll be showing you guys an app called Stop Ad. This app lets you stop literally every ads on your Android phone, and this is also available for your PC and Mac and also Apple. So you can stop the ads at the menu interface, and you can also show the statistic about these apps, and you can also whitelist some app, but make sure to whitelist YouTube because YouTube has currently getting a new ad policy here, so we are getting times hard here. So yeah, please, and go to the setting. You can turn on the auto start, and yep, that's literally much it. Hope you guys like it. Yeah.
Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.